hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. Today we're going to be looking at Privilege Manager, Delinea product, and reporting within that, and see we can. It's very easy to get into and take a look at some of the activity that's going on in the environment. So let's get right to it. So we're going to come over here to reports. Click on that, and then we got a few reports here that I'll just focus on real quick. One, we want to see our application, our agents that are installed. These are going to be able to control our endpoints for local admins and be able to ingest and push out the policies, the application policies that we're creating. So let's take a look at that, and we can see that here's our set of users or agents that are pushed out. So we can see we have a couple Windows machines here. We can see the operating system here. We can see we have a Mac machine. So we're taking a look at that. Next up here, we're going to go into one of the ones that I believe is very important is an application justification summary. So this is where you have an application that you've quasi-approved for use within the environment, but you still want the user to give a little justification. So we're going to take a look at that. Click on that, and we can see here some details around some activities that have happened within that report. So we can see that, for example, we had some Notepad elevated. That maybe needed to edit a host file or something to that effect. We see Wireshark, see Zoom and Firefox and so forth. So we have those reports there. And then lastly, we'll take a look at applications by approver. So we're going to go in here and see if we have any details. Here's one right here. So we see that our approver here, we're going to take a look at that and see what's going on. So have some details there that we see that Bert Blevins is last he approved the FileZilla the other day and for a demo. So we can see, we can get right to it. We can capture a lot of information that's coming from Privilege Manager and surface it up into these reports. You can see from this list here, we have quite a few reports to pull from out of the box, and so it makes Privilege Manager quite a powerful tool even for just even monitoring and just taking a consideration of what's happening in the environment. So thank you for listening and have a great day.